Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2009 to 2014 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove the bed from your frame. Cut and remove the bottom of the frame where your center frame section will sit. To do this, hold your center frame section up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Then, remove approximately 1 inch off the bottom of the frame. Spray the part with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. After removing the bottom of your frame, take your center frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can clamp your part into place using C-clamps to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your center frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done.